Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my dear students. Welcome to this lab in which we are going to set up and configure wireless router, and we will try to secure the wireless router using one of the encryption techniques that have been explained in the lecture, and we will try to connect wireless devices to the wireless router. So let us get started. Go to Network Devices, then select Wireless Devices, drag and drop this wireless router. Initially, this wireless router has the following IP address by default, which is 192.168.0.1. Now we need to connect a laptop to this wireless and start configuring it. So go to End Devices and drag and drop a laptop. In order to get a connection between the two devices, you should assign an IP address to the laptop within the same segment. For example, 192.168.0.2. 0.2 should be assigned to the laptop in order to get the two devices connected. Click on the laptop, go to Desktop tab, click on IP configuration, then in the IP address write 192.168.0.2. You will get the subnet mask automatically written. Leave it as it is, close. Now this PC has 192.168.0.2. Next, we need to connect the two devices. So click on Connections and select this connection type, which is Cooper Straight Through Connection. Click on the router, select Ethernet 1 and click on the PC or the laptop, select Fast Ethernet 0. Okay, once you get this green color, that means you have a connection established between the two devices. Now, the next step is to set up the wireless access point and create the network. Click on the laptop, open the Desktop tab, then go to Web Browser. Now I want to access the configuration website of the wireless router. This could be achieved by using the web browser and typing the IP address of the router, which is 192.168.0.1. Enter. It asks me for authentication. I need to type the default password, the default username and default password, which is admin. This is for username and the password is also admin. Click OK. Now I got an access to the configuration website and I will start the configuration stage. Select the administration and change the password, the default password, which is admin. I'm going to change it to test, for example, and repeat it once again, test. Okay, go down and click save. This is very important step because you need to secure the configuration website of the router. If you leave it admin, anybody can get access to the configuration website and change your network setting. This is for the authentication. The username is admin, but the password is the new password, which is test. Okay. Now it is telling me that the setting, the changing of the password are successful. Continue. The next step is to name the network. Okay, so I need to go to wireless tab. This is the wireless tab, and change the SSID. Now it is default. I'm going to change it to Schubert, for example. This is the name of the network, the SSID of the network. Okay, I need to save the setting. Very good. Continue. Okay, the next step is to select or to enable the password. But before enabling the password, I got here an option saying SSID broadcast, and it is enabled by default. Every wireless router has a network name assigned to it, which is the SSID, and by default the router will broadcast its SSID so all users within its range can see the network on their PC or other devices. If you want to disable this, which means the user cannot see the network name, it will be just like hidden, you need only to click on disable and save the changes. But I'm not going to do that. I will go to enable the security mode. So I need to click on wireless security. Security mode is disabled now. I'm going to select WEP encryption and set the key to join the network, which is 012345678 Save the setting. Very good. That's all for the setting. Now I'm going to connect wireless devices. Okay, I'm going to delete the laptop because I don't want the first end device to be connected is, let's say, laptop. So go to end devices and drag and drop a laptop. Okay, by default this laptop is equipped with, you can see here, is equipped with Ethernet NIC. I don't want the Ethernet NIC. Actually, I need wireless Wi-Fi NIC. So you need to put the laptop off. So turn it off by clicking this button. Then just remove the Ethernet card and drag and drop the wireless card and turn it on again. Very good. Now after that you go to config. You will see wireless. Change the SSID to Schubert or the SSID that you set up, and click on web because this is the authentication mode or the security mode, and the key 012345678 Okay, very good. Now I need to make sure that the laptop get a valid IP address. So click on static, again on DHCP. You should get an IP address from the same segment. You remember, this is the IP address of the router. Now the laptop has 192.168.0.100. It is same, only the last number is different. Close and you will see that there is a connection, there is a wireless connection between the laptop and the wireless router. Now let us try to connect a smartphone. So from the end devices, I need to select smart device, drag and drop and click on it. Go to config, wireless, change the default to Schubert, which is the name of the network or the SSID, and select the authentication mode, which is WEP, and the WEP code is 456.7.8.9. For the IP configuration, just click on static, then again DHCP, wait a while, and you will get a valid IP address from the SIM segment. Here 192.168.0.1, and here I got 192.168.0.101. This is for the smartphone. Very good. You can repeat the same process to connect, for example, a wireless tablet or another laptop or any wireless device. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next videos.